Hi, my name's Amy from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have the gorgeous Land Rover Range Rover Velar Dynamic HSE. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre D200 diesel engine alongside an 8-speed automatic transmission and comes in the gorgeous Santorini black. This model has some fantastic spec, including its LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, 10 split-spoke alloys with a gorgeous gloss black finish, and even privacy glass to finish off its sleek exterior. Heading to the rear of the vehicle now, as you can see, you have an electronically powered tailgate. Inside you easily have enough storage space for all of your personal items, 2 large suitcases or even a set of golf clubs. You do however have the option to fold your rear seats for further capacity if necessary. Heading into the back, in the centre you have your rear vents and USB-C ports, Meridian sound system for the highest quality listening experience. In here are your beautifully designed contrasting leather seats with beneficial ISOFIX points and even a central armrest with fixed twin cup holders. Now hopping into the front, you have the same interior environment continue, along with chrome features. Now panning towards your fully electronically adjustable heated memory front seats for maximum comfort. You gain the additional benefit of a generously sized sliding panoramic sunroof, idyllic for summer days to give your vehicle an open feel. On your driver's side door you'll find your electrically powered wind rows and windows along with your memory seat function, ensuring every journey can be as comfortable as your last. Your stylish full leather steering wheel offers your phone book to make and take those hands-free calls, voice recognition system, lane assist, speed limiter and even a heated steering wheel, perfect for winter mornings. You can adjust the settings above on your interactive driver display, where you'll find multiple sections with a variety of drop-downs to suit your personal preference. This vehicle's done 5,232 miles, subject to change due to test drives. On your main display, you're up to date with the latest infotainment features, including your rear view camera, making reversing or manoeuvring much easier and safer to do. Cabin lighting, where you can choose from a variety of different colours and of course adjust the brightness to set the perfect mood for any journey. Or even Alexa integration, allowing you to keep your head up and eyes on the road when making any commands. You can individually change the temperature within the cabin for both driver and passenger, or opt to sync this as a pair. Dictate the direction of airflow, and of course adjust the airflow setting itself. You can access your heated seating, again individually adjustable for both driver and passenger. And finally, this model comes with terrain response with a variety of different functions, making it perfect for any driving conditions you may encounter.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year warranty along with roadside assistance. Please call us on 01785 899 446 or inquire online.